A lot of people talk about buying name brand knives and everything is perfect and there will not be a twang sound when you're actuating your OTF knife. But a lot of them don't know when they take apart Microtech or Benchmade, they put some their proprietary grease on the spring to dampen the vibration, which takes away the twang sound. So the twang, just having the twang sound, it doesn't mean the knife is bad quality or anything. It's just a simple spring vibration, which it's inevitable. Spring will vibrate when it contracts and expand, and depending on the length of the spring and how it's stretched, there's gonna be harmonics. So anyway, I'm going to show how we can simply take apart the knife, put some grease on the spring, and then the twang sound will go away and it will not impact the function of the knife at all. So here I have a basic TacKnives, the MT9 model. You can see the sound's really bad. It sounds bad, but there's nothing wrong with the way the knife is deploying. So anyway, let's take it apart and let's see. So as you can see, the spring here has no grease on it, and you just put a little bit of grease or on the spring. And then this is gonna dampen the vibration of the spring, which is gonna take away the twang sound. Now I know Microtech has like a white, they have a white grease they put on their spring. I mean, obviously I don't know what brand or they use, or if it's their own brand, but the function is the same. Pull the blade out. You can see the sound's gone away. So it's that simple.